Good morning to all. Happily welcome to Blue Star Center School online class 12th standard commerce subject. Today we are going to see the revision topic of Unit 1 Management Process. In that chapter 2 Functions of Management, there is a number of questions we are discussed in this videos and how to study, what is the important questions, and assignment also given in this video. Today we are going to see the revision topic of chapter number 2 Functions of Management. In this chapter, you have the book back question is there in here 4 1 mark, 5 2 mark, 5 3 mark, and 1 5 mark. Totally 34 mark. The conceptized mark is for 2.01 main function 26 mark, 2.02 subsidiary functions 8 mark. Totally 34 marks you have available in this chapter. This comes under the unit number 1. Unit number 1. Okay. Just we see, first of all, we have to know one important things. These questions, what are the questions? Is a one mark question, which is the primary functions of management, which is the following is not a main functions. Dash is included the very managerial functions, and which is the following of the near verification functions. And short answer, what is write a short note on planning, what is meant by motivation, what is controlling, what is traditional proverb used by planning, and short answer, restore the main functions of management, state the importance of staffing, what is meant by coordination. These are the questions comes under this only 1 5 mark. When you study a single 5 mark, this 1 5 mark you can write 34 mark in this chapter. இந்த ஒரு 5 மார்க் நீங்க படிச்சீங்கன்னா அதிலே 2 மார்க் 1 மார்க் 3 மார்க் எல்லாமே சேர்ந்தது தான் இந்த ஒரு 5 மார்க். நம்ம 2.2ல அந்த 34 மார்க்கும் எதுல இருந்து வருதுன்னு பார்த்தா list out the subordinate functions of management, how the employee are informed about the information matter in a company, what is meant by innovation. இது எல்லாமே சேர்ந்தது தான் எதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஒரு 5 மார்க். When you study this single 5 mark, you can attend all the 2 mark, 3 mark, and 5 mark. Okay, first of all, we have to know what are these chapters. Long answer questions. Explain the various functions of management. The functions of management is classified into 2 categories: main functions and subordinate functions. Main function is classified into planning. What is meant by planning? Planning is a look before you live, or some of this is a traditional proverb which has been there in a logistic. Because planning, which means planning is the primary functions of management. Nothing cannot be performed without planning. Planning is the most important function. Without a planning, we cannot do any work. With the planning, we can complete the work with the smartly. Next is an organization. What is the organization? Organization is the process of establishing the harmonious relationship among the members of an organization and the creation of network of the relationship among them. Organization functions work is assigned to employees who are given the authority to carry out the workers assigned and made accountable for it. That is organization, which makes the relationship among the members and organization. Who are the members? He may be a worker or manager or supervisor or board of director or head of the department, whatever it may be. The persons who are involved in the organization, they are called as members. There should be a good relationship. Relationship in sense means there will be a friendly relationship. When there is a problematic in between the members, the organization cannot be run properly. So organization is the important one. Next, staffing. Staffing functions comprise the activities of selections and placement of component and personnel. In other words, staffing refers to the placement of right person to the right job. Staffing includes the selection of right persons, the training to those the needed persons, the promotions of the best persons, promotion of a best person, recruitment of a old person, the Performance appraisal of all the personnel and adequate remunerations of person. This is staffing. Staffing, which means staffing functions compares than a selection and percent of than a person. In other words, you have to pick out the right person for the right job. யாருக்கு எந்த வேலை தெரியுமோ அவங்களுக்கு அந்த வேலை கொடுத்தாதான் the work has been easily assigned and easily completed. First thing. Then the training of the persons. You have to give them a proper training. When the person is an efficiency worker, then you have to give the proper training. Next, directing. Directing, which means directing denotes then motivating, leading, guiding, and communicating with then a subordinate. One on then going the basis in order to accomplish then a preset of goal. Employees are keep their information of all the necessary matters by circulars. Instrument of manual, newsletters, and notice board, meeting and participation of machines, etc. In order to enable the employments to accomplish the organization goal. That is directing, which means we have to directing upon the goals. என்ன கோலை நம்ம ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோமோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தா the organization-ஆ இருக்கட்டும், the person-ஆ இருக்கட்டும், we have to directing towards the goal to achieve the goal. Next, controlling. Controlling is then a performance to evaluate then a performance of the employee and deciding then increment and promotional decisions. All the controlling functions helps and identifying and under then performance and arranging the redeemable training of them. It is then a controlling function which fascinates the near synchronization of actual performance which predetermined of standard. Next, coordination. Controlling, which means we have to control the every individual persons in the organization, whether they are performing or not. This is the controlling. Next, coordination. Coordination is the synchronizing or unequal integration of all the activities, the actions of individuals, workers, and the employment's difference of capacity. So it leads to the most of the successful animation of common objectives. Coordination is then included in every managerial functions. Next, motivation. Motivation is then achievement with the help of the motivating. It includes then increasing the speed and performance of the worker by the giving the motivation. By the words or by the remuneration, we can motivate the person. Subsidiary function. Innovation. Innovation is that refers to the preparation of the personal and organizational to face the changes that made in the business world. Communication changes are made by the in the organization. The organization are satisfied through their innovation. Innovation includes the development of new material. New production is a new technique in the production. New packaging is a new design of the production and cost of it. These are the innovation thing. Innovation, which means you have to give the innovative products and innovative things in an organization. புது விஷயங்கள் வரதான் என்ன நடக்கும்னு பார்த்தோன்னா the market has been enlarging. Market enlarge ஆகும் பொழுது தான் we can get the good resources. இதுதான் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து innovation. Next, representation. Representation means in a organization, manager is then a representation to then everyone. He has to represent the customers and suppliers and governments and officials, the bankers. We have to separate for all the activities. He is then one of the represented members. Next, decision making. Decision making, which means we have to decide in advance with then a smooth running of the members. Every day, the employees and the workers has to take their number of the decision made every day. Decision making makes to then a smooth running of the organization. Decision making is an important factor. Next, communication. Communication, which means we have to give the communication to the through human, the views of the organization of one person to another person. The worker are the informed that then what be done, where to be done, how it will be done within the communication helps to the regulation of jobs and coordination of activities. These are the main functions and subsidiary functions of management. You can go through the question and answers. Both the questions has been comes in the only 1 5 mark. Please go through it. Please, you have to do your assignment and send through the app. Okay, this is your assignment. Take down your assignment. Write a class or note for a given questions. Explain the various functions of management. I need your class or questions. Both the passage reading, you have to study and write. And notes material is given in your school website. Then if you finish your assignment, then through it, voice snap app. Okay, thank you to all. All the best. Study well. Thank you to all.